Back in the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez. And Jennifer, this is kind of the last day to really get everything in order before the weather kind of takes a hit. It takes a turn.
It's going to take quite a turn, especially tomorrow all the way through Saturday. So this is what you need to know. The worst conditions are expected tomorrow night through Saturday. And what we're going to experience is some potentially dangerous driving conditions. Whiteout conditions especially near Lake Superior, some snow drifts from the accumulating snow, all of that because of the strong winds we're expecting. Gusts of around 35 to 55 miles per hour. That starts going tomorrow night all the way through Saturday. Potential power outages possible with strong winds like this. Toppled over items, of course, going to be a hazard on roadways, and then likely going to see some beach erosion because of those large waves out there once that wind gets going. We're expecting heavy snow throughout the end of the week and then a transition to lake effect snow on Saturday, with it gradually tapering off on Sunday. And then as far as cold, it is going to be a cold one. Wind chill ratings will generally be in the teens below zero throughout the course of those days. So this is the projected snowfall amounts. Highest elevations of the Porcupine Mountains in the west end of Marquette County could push 35 inches of snow. We're easily looking at around 2 feet of snow for most of the west end of the UP and the far eastern areas. And then the lower amounts across the south along the Wisconsin state line, ranging anywhere from about 8 inches to about a foot of snow. Now this comes from 2 main rounds of snow, and this can and will change and adjust over the coming days. So you'll want to stay tuned for updates. We'll have another updated one later on this afternoon on the evening news as well. In the meantime, for tonight, we do have winter weather advisories that have been issued for most of the UP. Tomorrow night through Saturday night, we currently have a winter storm watch in place for that time period. That storm system developing off to the Intermountain West right now, bringing in some snow to parts of North Dakota. And then eventually it's going to start to be bringing in that snow this afternoon to Wisconsin. So by tomorrow morning, this is the placement of it. Widespread snow will be light initially tomorrow morning and then increasing in intensity throughout the day, becoming heavy as we head into Friday for us and for areas downstate. By Saturday morning, most of that system snow clears out, but then we have the transition to lake effect snow for the entire state of Michigan. Now, a closer look at that snow after 2 o'clock. We'll start to see some of that light snow move in across the west today. And then as we head into tonight, becomes widespread through tomorrow morning. Throughout the day tomorrow, it is going to be widespread, moderate, and then heavy by the time tomorrow night arrives. Heavy snow expected by Friday morning. This is 7 a.m. and then continuing throughout the day on Friday before it slowly tapers off as we head into Saturday night. Wind gusts by Friday morning will range 35 to 45 miles per hour. And then by the afternoon, we're talking about winds gusting near 55 miles per hour near Lake Superior, staying that strong as we head into the overnight hours through Saturday morning. Eventually, this is Sunday morning, Christmas Day. We'll start to see those winds decrease in strength and conditions will improve. Christmas Day actually looks a whole lot better for us as of right now. So as far as conditions are concerned, the worst, as I mentioned, Thursday night into Saturday. Please keep that in mind. Make the adjustments that you need to do over the next coming days, and make sure you get to your destination nice and safe.
All right, is this one of those storms that things are going to kind of be evolving and changing? We need to keep an eye on
exactly.
And keep updated with you. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds like there's going to be a lot of moving pieces and a lot of parts.
And it's not just us, you know. I mean, we're also talking about Wisconsin today and then tomorrow for areas downstate through Friday. So
all those people traveling, it's going to make for a tough couple of days.
And a lot of delays.
Yeah. Stay safe out there, everyone, and keep your eye on everything that she's forecasting.